is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, April 25, 2022. Friday was a weak day in the markets. We closed down at the lows of the session, which ended up being the lows of the week as well. Here we are on Monday, and we are continuing lower in the overnight session after closing at the lows of the week. And that's the type of pattern we'll be looking at this morning for the daily IQ. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the market's trading lower. So I'm going to go to the opening filters library. I'm going to go to the gap direction here, and I'm going to click on gap down. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to say that the prior session closed at the lowest price of the past 5 days. That's available in the active today section. That's the easiest place to find it here in the new lows, day after 5-day low. And since it's in the active today, that means it is true for today. You can also find it right here, new lows, top option, day after 5-day low close. All right, next thing we're going to do is head over to the indicators library, put us in a similar market environment. We closed below a 10 and below a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the calendar library and say that today is Monday. So that means that 5-day low close was taking place on a Friday. We're starting a fresh week lower. All right, let me go ahead and click on view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When it is a Monday, you are gapping down, and the prior session closed at a 5-day low and below a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 37 samples here in the S&P dating back to 2003. For the NASDAQ, we've got 32 samples. For the Dow, 34. For the Russell, 32. If we look at win rates on them, S&P coming in weak, 43% of those have closed above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it is 38%. For the Dow, 56%, and for the Russell, 31%. So pretty weak as a group. If we look at the average moves, you can see the average loss larger than the average win for the S&P. That's not the case for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has a larger average win by a little bit. If we go to the Dow, larger average loss. For the Russell, larger average win. So we're completely mixed on which side has had bigger moves on the average win or average loss. If we look at the win rates, though, 3 out of 4 have been weaker. These lower win rates are indicating that like this 43% of the time, the S&P has closed above the open, so more often than not, it is closing below the open. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.